arrive in Bahay Garden alas 8 ng maga. Ayan. Sa maga, Bahay Garden. Opa, tarik. Ano ngayon, Pesak. Huling araw ng Pesak. No, April 29. Pesak. Yan si Mr. Giant. Kasama ko si Mr. Giant. Can I go a little bit there?
No, not yet.
No.
Please, we need to wait for...
How?
Let's ask this much. What time is it? No, it's too early.
Ah, okay.
9 o'clock.
Ah, 9 o'clock? Okay.
Yeah.